Well, no. This guy here, Alcina, he was in charge during the mid-late 1800s of, let's say, securing, expanding the frontiers of Argentina against the indigenous crowds. No? So how do you read this? The lower section here, there's a relief of meetings that he's hosting, like they're discussing something. The cavalry on that side, they're getting prepared for something, and Alcina on the other side, he's pointing at them like this, and the natives running away. So how do we read this? He's telling the army, kill them, get them. Eh? And the reason why he's in white is because he was seen back at that time as a hero, as a good person. We look at this for a long time, we think this is a genocide. But no, back at that time, the mentality was, and I'm not saying obviously that's a good thing, but that was the mentality by then. The natives would not embrace religion, the Catholic Church, and civilized, they were savages who had to be killed. And he's surrounded by three statues. The woman to the front, it's called the Republic of Argentina. It's like our country as a human figure. The man here, he has some wheat and working tools for prosperity and hard work. And the woman on the other side, she has a book and a globe, like education and science. So prosperity, education, nation, republic, like hero. Yeah? And this is the reason why when many people tell me like, oh Marcelo, why are there not many native-looking people from Argentina? Is that there were not that many natives? No, there were as much as there were in the US, in Canada, whatever. But like what happened in most of the countries in the New World, we just wiped them out. Okay? We under this idea, which luckily we learned, but well, that was the mentality until then. And I think this is important because it reminds you not to forget, so you don't make the same mistakes. No.